the 5 best smart wall-mounted air conditioners. Need aircon installed at home? Smart wall-mounted air conditioners are a game changer. It is now so easy and efficient to have a cool home all summer. These fixed units are perfect for homes or offices, providing a space-saving solution all year round. The standout feature is their Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling users to control settings via smartphone apps or voice commands like Alexa or Google Home. This integration offers ease of use, advanced scheduling, energy tracking, and remote operation from anywhere. Find the 5 best smart wall-mounted air conditioners at home smarter today.